All right. What do we have here? It is Adidas. The Gazelle. Made in Vietnam. This is a 9.5 US. Okay. What do we have here? Don't know much about the Gazelles. Okay, here we are. Okay, this one's black. Okay. Okay. So let's see the shoes themselves. Oh, nice. Okay. Get a better look at these. Hard to see because of the black on black. And with the gold. Very nice. Very difficult to film because of the because of this what is it, this Spinal Tap quote, how more black could they be? None black? Look at that. No, that's nice with the leather tongue. Okay, these are a lot better than I thought they'd be. So I have to say, I'm really impressed with these Gazelles. Yeah.